Las Colinas today. Pulling up on a 2018 Nissan Rouge that has a need for a battery replacement, an air filter, and just checking everything else over out on it. All right, it's in the street. It's the battery right here. It's got an AGM. Look at the old filter. Disgusting. All right, new battery installed. It looked like I had some overheating issues. Look at the traces of coolant on the alternator and on the engine mount, or it could have been them topping it off. Also, I noticed this low side hose is really on the low side. Probably takes some 1234YF, so it does use less Freon than 134. That could be the reason, but typically they be rock hard. Crisp. There we go. Look at that. All right, start it up. It's only got 61,000 miles, so it really shouldn't need anything, but it's a 2018. That was the original battery, so good to go. See how the AC feel too. All right, we got this one taken care of for now. It definitely has an AC leak in it that's gonna have to get squared away. From my experience, it's probably gonna be a leak in the evaporator, which it might be a warranty issue. I told them about that. AC don't get cold at all. This place look familiar to y'all though?